This is the easiest vegetable spring roll recipe you can make. Welcome back to my channel. It is so easy that you just need very few ingredients to make it. This shouldn't take you more than 20 minutes to make. Here is my vegetable oil. I'm going to add in my blended onions, garlic and ginger, after which I'll go on now to add in my shredded carrot. Use whatever quantity of carrots or vegetables you would like. Add in your chopped cabbage. Go on now to add in green bell peppers. You can add in other colors of peppers that you would like, but I just wanted to keep this simple. Add in your spices like your curry and your thyme. Just one seasoning cube will do. You can add in more seasoning cubes if you are making it in larger quantity. Go on now to add in little salt, mix together, add in a little bit of spring onions, mix them all together, and your vegetable spring roll fillings is ready. We are going now to make our slurry. Add in 2 tablespoons of flour to 2 tablespoons of water. Depending on your flour type, you may add more than 2 tablespoons, you may add less. Just make sure your slurry is a bit thick so that you can seal in your spring rolls while rolling. Now, I didn't want to stress myself. I went on to get this spring roll wrap. I actually cut them to be mini rectangular spring rolls. You can make your spring rolls yourself. I'm going to put a link of the video in the description box or at the end screen if you want to find out how to make your own spring roll wrappers at home. But I bought this from a shop, so if you can buy your wrappers by yourself, roll your spring rolls like so, seal in with your slurry and get ready to fry. So once I'm done sealing in all my spring rolls, I'm going to go on now to fry on fairly hot oil. If this is your first time of stopping by my channel, do consider subscribing, do like and share, comment and tell me what you think about this recipe. And if you are returning subscribers, God bless you. Thank you so much for always tuning in to Debbie's Kitchen, watching my recipes, trying out my recipes. I really do appreciate. I do not take it for granted. Not at all. I'm going to go on now to add my spring rolls into my fairly hot oil. Fry, stirring continuously until I have golden brown look or slightly golden brown look. I'm going to take it out of the oil, after which it is fully brown. Keep it in a sieve or salvet to strain excess oil, and boom, this is what we got at the end of the day. I did bigger sizes, you can see them here. I'm going to use them with my favorite dip. You can use ketchup or whatever dip you would like, but this one I used shawarma filling. It was amazing. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Do like, share and subscribe and comment. Tell me what you think about this recipe. Are you going to be trying it out? See you in my next one. Bye bye. Good to have you here. See you next time. God bless you.